This is Yardie Belly in a foreign. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be doing a very simple dish. My son requested noodles, and so I'm gonna have to find it to make dinner. I'm gonna do a chicken lo mein. All right, it's a chicken lo mein. Here I have the chicken breast, and I'm just gonna cut this up on my cutting board in slivers, and I'm gonna basically add all these ingredients. Over here I have bell pepper, yellow and red and orange bell pepper that I'll be adding. I already went ahead and cut them up because of the time, you know. I have a little bit of cabbage here, and I'm adding cabbage just for body and yeah, for volume. I like cabbage. I have some broccoli here, and all of this is just garnish for the main meal. I have my garlic paste and some minced garlic, scallions, ginger, a little bit of thyme, onion, and of course Scotch bonnet pepper. I have a little bit of oyster flavor sauce over there, and so we are gonna get going with some chicken lo mein. My chicken has been cut into slivers, and I am ready to start putting some seasoning, basic seasoning on it. I am not gonna be doing a lot with it. I am just gonna add some stuff so that I can marinate it just a little bit. I'm putting some of my onion paste, well, the rest of the onion paste. This is a very, very good product. Yeah, I keep saying I'm putting the onion paste down in there, and I'm also gonna use some minced garlic. Not onion paste, Lord Jesus. I mean garlic paste. Yeah. See, me I get confused. And I'm putting some of the minced garlic too. Fresh garlic is always preferred, but you know, when you're rushing or in times like this when the wife is not home to correct me, I can do what I want to do. I'm adding thyme, and the only reason why I'm adding thyme in this Chinese or Asian flavored food or Asian fusion food is because I'm Jamaican. That's the only reason why I'm adding thyme. Because I am Jamaican. Because Jamaicans put thyme in almost everything. Alright? It just need to have a thyme flavor, or else it's not set right. I'm putting a little bit of my onion because I'm gonna use the onion mainly in the stir fry, so I'm not putting a lot. And I'm putting my ginger, and I'm putting mainly the white part of the green onion, you know, because the green part I'm using for garnish. All right, and then of course I have to put a little bit of my Scotch bonnet pepper in it. As I said, the only reason why I'm putting Scotch bonnet is because I'm Jamaican, and the wife, you know, really want to put no whole of pepper. Alright, so I put a little Scotch bonnet. And then now, anybody go to Chinese restaurant and bring home this? If you go Chinese restaurant and bring home this, it's a good thing. Because I really like soya sauce. It have too much salt. But like how the wife is not here, I can use up some. So I'm putting one packet of this, yeah. Number, please don't even act like y'all don't bring home the Chinese soya sauce from the store. Please, I know better. I know that y'all do that, cause I do that, and if I do that, everybody do that. And the duck sauce. Oh boy, I'm getting myself in so much trouble right now. I'm adding also a little bit of sugar for that umami flavor. And when you're marinating stuff, you basically can look around for what you have. You know what I mean? The marinade is just so that the chicken don't, you know, just blah. Yeah? So this is how we are. We are Jamaicans. That's how we are. You know, when we're doing our stuff, we make sure that it tastes good. It have to season good, or else we're not going to do it. All right, so I'm adding some chicken seasoning here. Yeah, chicken seasoning, Caribbean chicken seasoning. And to tell you the truth, as crazy as I am sometimes, I'm going to end up putting all jerk seasoning in it. You understand? And the last thing that I'm going to add is a little bit of oil. And then I'm going to leave it to marinate for maybe about 15 minutes. I have in my skillet some oil that I'm allowing to get up to temperature. And to that, I'm just going to add my chicken. And the idea is to stir fry the chicken very quickly. So you don't want your chicken to get tough, you know? So and as you can see, I used a little bit more oil than I normally would because I'm gonna add the vegetables to this as well. And I wanted, you know, Chinese food always have a little, you know, a little bit of extra grease. Yeah? And I'm using canola oil, ladies and gentlemen, because, yeah, you don't want to use oils like olive oil, or you could use a little bit of peanut oil, you know, but I'm using canola oil for this purpose. And what you want to do is just get the chicken to color, you know, and once it starts to firm up, your chicken is basically cooked. Then what I'm gonna do is start to just, you know, add my ingredients to the skillet, and I'm mimicking a stir fry, and so that's why you see me continuing to stir and to fry. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. How it looking, Josh?
Good.
You likes it?
Yes. It looks all Chinesey.
It looks Chinesey.
Yes.
Oh boy. All right. This looks like it's doing nicely. Now at this point, you want to start to add your ingredients, your vegetables. I'm gonna add my cabbage first. All right, and normally cabbage not in it, Josh, but I'm putting cabbage. And then I'm gonna add
broccoli.
My
broccoli.
And I'm gonna add, what is this?
Onions.
Onions. All right.
Stir.
And you stir and you fry.
Stir, fry.
All right. And because I want the ingredients to remain crunchy, I don't want this to cook or overcook at all, you know. So I'm gonna add, right at this moment, I'm gonna add my oyster sauce. If you notice, I did not add salt. Previous to this, I didn't add salt to the chicken when I was marinating, because I had used a little bit of soy sauce, and now I'm using oyster sauce, and the oyster sauce has a lot of salt. Well, not a lot of salt, because I like salt, you know, but salt not good for you. Let me just say that quickly before the wifey, well, she's not here, but so as it is right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is absolutely ready. Trust me. You would say, you know, when you go to a Chinese restaurant, how the chicken always soft and nice, is because they don't overcook their chicken. All right, we are Jamaicans. We cook our chicken out till it white, you know, and firm. But this is absolutely ready. All right, look, Josh, you like it?
Yes, it looks like it came right from China.
It's Okay, now I'm adding some more additional ingredients, ladies and gentlemen. I have in this little container here, I have some water chestnuts and I also have some garbanzo bean. So my lo mein is, you know, me have to make it look a bit extra, a little bit hotter, you know, than normal, right? And in this container, I have sweet corn. So, oh boy.
Smells good too.
You like it? It smells good?
Yep.
I'm making sure that we get the proper nutritional value from the food. You know, make sure I say it right. Everything is, yeah, turned up in this one. I know when the wife comes, she'll be like, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. No, that's not what they say. I'm supposed to say, all right, all right, all right. Oh boy. But once again, folks, this is a complete meal in and of itself. Trust me on that. All right? Trust me. Trust me on that. All right? Put some black pepper. Always have to add a little black pepper. And then I'm gonna add my green onions or escallion. And the last thing that I'm gonna add is my peppers. All right, it's my tricolor peppers. That's
sweet.
That's red, orange, and yellow peppers. And now my chicken is done and my spaghetti is done, or linguine, which one you want to call it. And how I'm gonna make my lo mein is I'm gonna drain this spaghetti here and then add it to my chicken. It's my finished chicken lo mein, folks, and I'm telling you, it is awesome. It's to die for. The wifey loved it. You love it, right? See?
Nah. Yes.
can't take her, you know? But nah. You know what, ladies and gentlemen? It's a quick one-pot meal, something to do on a weeknight, you know? And I'm telling you, I really and truly liked it. It's healthy to some extent, you know? Less carbs than rice. And you get your vegetables, you get your chicken in a right portion. And so, once again, Yardie Belly in a foreign chicken lo mein or lo mein. Yeah, going oriental today. Hope you like it. Hope you love it. Continue to subscribe. Continue to like the page on YouTube, and also on Facebook at Yardie Belly in a foreign.